What's up guys, Andy from Greek's Garage here. Today I'm going to give you a quick update on the boat project, and I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded any videos lately, but it's been kind of a crazy year. But now that things have slowed down a little bit, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification because there's going to be a lot more videos coming out. Now on the boat, I've decided instead of wrapping it, I'm going to be painting it. Also, I decided to put some 8.1 liter 496 engines in there with some Bravo drives. I'm still working on the floors and getting that ready for the new floors to go in. So here's a little bit of video of that, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing here is cutting out this rotten piece of wood in between the gas tank and the bilge area. So basically I'm going to be cutting around the stringers so we can remove all the rotten wood. And you can see here I'm cutting a clean line all the way around the piece of wood. And what I'm using to do that is this multi-tool. Makes it real easy. You can place the blade right up against the floor and cut all the way through to the other side. And as you can see here, I cut out this side, which came out pretty good so far. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below on where you can purchase this tool. Even if you don't want the tool, hit the link anyway and buy something else. It'll still help my channel out. And as I'm cutting out the pieces, I'm going to be laying them out here so I can trace them onto the new piece of plywood. I was also able to cut out the other side over here and it came out nice and clean. Now all I have to do is cut out this middle section. But that's not going to be as easy as the sides were because obviously the gas tank right here is in the way. So the gas tank's going to have to come out in order to do this right. Also, the plywood here right in the middle goes all the way down to the ground, so there's no way to remove it without the gas tank out of the way. And as you can see with this multi-tool here, the blade's just long enough just to cut through to the other side of the plywood. Now as you can see here, as I was cutting out this piece, water started just gushing out right here. So it looks like there's water stuck underneath the gas tank. So what that means, I'm going to have to remove the gas tank, but I was going to have to do that anyway to install this piece of wood and fiberglass it in the right way. And the water's still coming out. I've been vacuuming the water up and it still just keeps coming out. So far I've vacuumed up close to around 4 gallons of water. So far I removed all the wood on this side, and then once I get some help to remove the gas tank, I'll finish removing this middle section right here. I also got the right side right here all removed and cleaned up. I started to remove the foam right here in between the gas tank and the piece of wood. I just have to finish up and remove all the foam around the whole gas tank to remove it. So now I'm going to move into the interior and cut out the rest of the rotten floor. All right, just finished up cutting out all the rotted wood in this section here. So far it's looking pretty good. Now I just gotta finish up and cut out the front section right here. Probably goes all the way to the front of the boat. Okay, so it looks like the previous owner used this little closet area as a subwoofer box. Looks like they had two 15-inch subs in here, which it doesn't seem like it'd be a very efficient sub box since there's still a closet door sitting here. I can only imagine this door flying open every time that bass hit. So my plan is to remove this closet area, that way it'll extend the couch on this side to the same length that it is on the other side. Also, I saw a same kind of boat online that had like a built-in ice chest area right here that I was thinking of doing. I'll throw up that picture to give you an idea what I'm talking about. As you can see, you'll gain an extra foot or so of couch space and it'll really open up the area right here. Compared to this closet slash subwoofer box we got going on here. We got all the access to all the controls and gauges right here. I'll end up cleaning all this up and redoing it to make it look nice. And then on this side over here we have the microwave, refrigerator, and little sink. I'm not sure what I'm going to do here yet, but if I keep it the same, I'm just going to be replacing all the appliances. As you can see, once I remove the closet, it'll bring that couch to the same length as the other side. So that way, once I build cushions for the middle, it'll make it into a full-size bed. And then you can store them when you don't need the cushions. So that's the update so far on what's going on the boat. Again, sorry it's taken this long for a video to come out, but here's my youngest daughter to tell you a little something.
Don't forget to subscribe to Greek's Garage. Oh yeah, don't forget to hit that bell for my dad's videos.